Okay, so 30 minutes before my work, I'm gonna go for a walk around the neighborhood. So it is Tuesday now, and just walking behind the alleyway. We're walking the opposite direction of where the Google campus is. Take a look at the surrounding neighborhood. First thought of Kitchener-Waterloo, it's a very quiet town. There's like hardly any people. Come on. And this is downtown. It looks like you can park in downtown for 2 hours and nobody will bother you for free. So this park, Victoria Park, is maybe about a 10-minute walk from our Airbnb. I think I'm just going to head back now. It's almost 7:30 a.m. where I have to start work. My mom is probably getting up. So let's go head back. And today, I think the plan is, I don't know yet, but it's a very sunny day, so it's good. This is on the corner of Joseph and Gauco. Seems to be like a container ship market, but obviously it's too early right now in the morning for it to be open.
我都没买回来。
行了，现在我和我妈，咱俩去，你解释解释，咱俩去干啥？
去上湖边儿，上湖边儿骑小摩托去。
不是小摩托，是电动自行车。
电动自行车。
电动自行车，我妈第一次骑这个电动自行车，你是不是第一次骑电动自行车？
第一次骑。
这是我们要从这个 city 里面这边租个电动自行车，然后上那个，就在这个室内游一游。好了，走吧 ，Let's go。你现在有啥感觉？
挺好啊。
有没有兴奋的感觉？骑这辆电动自行车？
可以啊。
你觉得你可以骑那个单独的那个？不是电动，
啥都能骑，
啥都能骑，好吧，来吧，我们一会儿看一看。
就是去玩去嘛。
那个，我们现在已经到了这个自行车的地方了，所以可以看到它有自行车，还有这种 scooter。看来它有2个自行车，所以我们可以租2个自行车也行。这我妈现在试试，你觉得咋样啊？往回走吧，同志。别停！
我等一会儿呀，这块路不好。
哎呀，行了，再给你录一下子。你一直往那头骑，一直骑到红绿灯那块儿，骑到红绿灯那块儿。
不动弹。
摁，一直摁。这我俩这个一日游已经游完了，现在去西买咖啡，走吧。这儿呢。喝咖啡啥感觉？这是我们在星巴克。就是我们现在已经在 City Hall 了，在 Kitchener 这个 City Hall。Gauco Block， 这个呢应该是有一个小摆摊的地方，今天是 weekday， 所以它肯定是关着的。所以我们从这儿走到那个公园叫 Victoria Park。
都吃饭呢，这打悠啊。
我们现在已经到 Victoria Park 的后边，这有个小湖。我妈要去这个小桥。我俩现在在这儿避个雨，有点下雨。我们现在又回来了，今天的旅游就完成。我们这现在看一下这个成龙的电影。我家忘带酱油了，所以我去 supermarket 去买点酱油。 看起来挺大，叫新城超级市场。这个 supermarket 挺大的呀，买了一大堆东西。我已经买完了，在这儿准备飞，看看这边的风景。
I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want.